properties of P waves. Then compare with the S waves. So here will become a prelims question also on the P wave and S wave difference. Properties of what we are doing is cleared. Properties of P and S, then observation, then the inferences drawn out of it. Pehla P wave can pass through, right? Pass through both, right? Through both solid and liquid. First property is this. What is it? Both P, right? So P wave passes through primary wave, passes through both solid and liquid medium. That's the first point. Second property, this is the fastest and first recorded waves, which is among P, S, R, L, which is the most fastest. Answer is this, fastest wave. It's fastest wave. You know the speed is around 8 to 10 meters per second. The fastest wave is what? P wave, fastest 8 to 10 meters per second. It can go to 16 also depending on the density. Depending on what? Density, it can go with the speed up to 16 meters per second also. Fastest wave, this is fastest wave among all seismic waves. That's what is first recorded. Like a seismic station mein like P, S, R, L, chart waves hai. Chart component. Which wave it will be receiving first? Answer is P. Then uske baad S, then R, then L. That's the point comes out. Third, what is the nature of this wave? It's compressional wave. It's a which wave? When this wave passes through the material, what happened to the material? It get compressed. It get what? Compression is like, suppose, like a spring, like a what called? Spring. When you apply a force on a spring, what happened to the spring? It get compressed. When that energy get passed through, it get expanded. Isn't it not? So you have a two situation: compression, expansion. Compression. But baat samajh mein aaya? That means P wave, when P wave passes the material, it will, what will it do to the material? It compresses the material. That's what P wave is, compressional wave. Which wave? P wave is which wave? Compressional wave. Compressor. Now try to, because science में बड़ा problem क्या है? Science is easy when you have understanding. When you have no understanding, it has zero meaning. It will be very, very complex for you. It does not work on this emotions. It operates on logic and reasoning. Now, compressional wave, suppose this is a matter. A matter है आपका. Matter है. Which wave is passing through? P wave is passing through. What happened to this matter? Come on. It get compressed. Compression, like making compression layer. Compression क्या होता है? Particle will come close. It close over it. Just make this close. Then it's stretched. So I hope you get that sketch cleared. And this P wave is passing through it. So it was first compressional layers, then with rare fractions. Alternate what? Compressed, rare, stretched. So energy is passing in which direction? Come on. When energy is passing in this direction, this is the direction of what? P wave carries energy. Moving in this direction is the direction of what? E, energy. And particle of this material or matter vibrating in which direction? Same or opposite? देखो और समझो. देखो अच्छे से देखो. Just closely observe this. Particle is here. It's vibrating what? Can you see this? How the compression will come? Material is what? Come like this. Energy is also moving in this direction. Matter also get pushed in the same direction. Perpendicular क्या होता है जानते हो? If the matter is moving like this, it's the same direction, opposite direction. Energy is here, and this matter is vibrating. Matter cannot go up to, from this matter cannot, this particle, this atom, this molecule cannot reach here. It is vibrating and still remain here. So here the particle is compressed. So they are moving the same direction. So this wave is what? Longitudinal or transverse? particle is vibrating in the same direction. So this wave become what? अब इसको रट लेते हो, उसका मतलब ये है ग्राउंड पे. All P wave is what? Longitudinal in nature. What do you mean longitudinal? It vibrates the matter in the direction of energy. Actually, it's to and fro motion. Longitudinal means what? To and fro motion of the particles will be there. If you really read scientific paper, there is less language, more symbols, more interpretations. No. Sinusoidal, like proper sine is a transverse wave, but it's longitudinal. Sinusoidal is a transverse wave, more sinusoidal than this. You can create the wave in that case, but proper sine wave is not formed here. Like the part.
If we compress the amplitude of the sinusoidal wave, then maybe we can form this.
We can, but true compression, S wave will lead to sinusoidal. We will come to that. Hold on. So first P wave properties are getting cleared. First is what? Pass through both solid liquid. Second, prelims last year PT question tha ye. See the last year question paper 2000 past 23 wala. Prelims same question was in prelims mein tha ye same. Fastest wave 8 to 10 meters per second, compressional or longitudinal wave, to and fro motion. That means energy or the P wave passes through the matter and matter vibrate in the same direction. That means parallel movement. Any way you can say. Please, if your understanding is right, examiner will confuse you. But you are a command on little language, proper understanding, you can mix it. Nobody can confuse you. इसलिए 40% में भी IIT टॉपर हो जाता है, ठीक है? परसेंटाइल में भी 100, but percentages 40 के बीच में रहता है, ज़्यादा नहीं. No one can cross 52% होता है, IAS में भी नहीं होता. Topper in the IAS is how much? 52%. And entire examination close, last entry will be filled by 45%. समझ रहे हो कि competition is very narrow. If you understand the maths and reasoning, emotion में exam नहीं जीतोगे आप, number game में जीतोगे, ठीक है? That means maximum 52, top for rank 1, last rank 45, close. That means if you are performing very less, you will not out. High performance very difficult. That means competition is very high and standardized paper. जैसे हम SSC वगैरह में जाओगे, banking, SSC, you get 100 out of 100. Isn't it or not? 100%. Here is 50% is good. समझ रहे हो? It's because of the depth and understanding, quality. That happened in IIT examinations. That happens in IMS examinations. That happened in UPSC IAS examination. The rest of the other examination, board examinations, any state PCS examination, state PCS आपको जानते हो यूपी में क्या होता है? Prelims, you will get out of 100, 98, 99, 92, 93 cut off. बात समझ रहे हो? और same people sit in the UPSC, they're not able to score 40%. उसको come on, जिसके 99 100 आ रहे थे out of that, and they're not able to score 40, 50 also here. They're not able to qualify. उसका मतलब क्या हुआ? उसका मतलब simple है, standard of paper. Confusion level. What UPSC good thing is whatever you know they put as a question itself. जितना तुम्हें पता है ना, उतना question ही. The question, whatever stuff in your head, they put as a question. That's beautiful about it. Question setup is that ये सब तो मुझे मालूम है, but question पूछा क्या? That's the point is they confuse among the options. And if you are cleared conceptually, then only you will pick up the right options. And those who are confused, they mugged up, they will do blunders in this. गलती समझते कौन कर रहा होता है इस examination? And those people who are not clear conceptually and non-scientific. इसलिए चलो चौथा पे आ जाते हैं. So P wave का properties clear हो गया. Passes through both medium. Okay, next. It can even pass through the center of the earth. Okay, it has one shadow zone 103 to 45 degrees. So small shadow zone, right? P wave, shadow zone formed. P wave, shadow zone, W 103 degree to 145 degree. I will draw where is the angles have emerged. P wave, shadow zone is also there. Means P waves are not directly observed, indirectly observed here. What do you mean by shadow zone? Indirectly recorded, not directly recorded.